The G-Tech JPD 12-inch sliding jointer plus planer is the world's first 3-in-1 woodworking machine combining a planer, jointer, and dust collector. It has a capable 2-horsepower engine and comes equipped with a 10,000 RPM spiral cutter head. The JPD 12-inch produces perfect wooden boards with a consistent thickness, no snipe at the ends, and a much better quality than when using a separate jointer and planer. By fixing the carriage head and switching 4 bolts to the planer, feed-in and out rollers are released. Auto feeding is available for a consistent board thickness, and the extended table supports boards up to 8 feet in length. Unlike a traditional jointer, the reinvented JPD 12-inch sliding jointer plus planer has been designed with an integral safety feature. The moving carriage head for jointing or surface milling, simply providing a safer working environment as it prevents the operator from contacting stock directly with their hands. The linear bearing system makes the slider move smoothly and allows for effortless jointing and surface milling. It is so smooth, the carriage head can be moved with just one finger. It can be used as a simple planer with a long extension bed and built-in dust collector. The JPD 12-inch gets both your jointing and planing jobs done. Being a single unit, it saves space, lowers your cost, but most importantly, it reassures you of the excellent quality of your projects.